Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a beautiful 2002 Corvette Convertible 1SC in Quicksilver with torch red interior. We'll start at the rear of the vehicle here. This car was well taken care of by the previous owner. You can see it's got the nice Corvette flag badge underneath the trunk panel there, nice and clean. We have the torch red carpet in the trunk. And we do have compartments here, so extra storage compartments. And we do have a 12-disc CD changer in the trunk here. We got the original red floor mats that go with the car. We also have the black ones there. And we have a WeatherTech Corvette car cover, and it is red as well. So you can see it's got the cargo net as well, nice and tidy in here. Let's go ahead and close it. Let's just zoom in up here so you can see the interior. Top down. Paint looks wonderful in this car. Again, it's called Quicksilver. It's got a metallic to it, and it has those famous circular Corvette taillights. And we have upgraded exhaust on it. It has Magnaflow exhaust, and it comes from the axle back, and it sounds really good. It doesn't have too much drone noise to it. Let's move our way to the tires here. So we got a 275/40 ZR18 in the rear. They're Michelin tires, and they are the polished aluminum wheel. It has the performance brakes, as you can see, and then we have red brake calipers there. Let's go to the front. We got a 245/45 ZR17 in the front, and you can see those brakes are even larger in the front. All right, coming to the interior of the car. So we have a nice black door panel with the torch red mixture. The plastic looks really nice. It's nice and shiny, no cracks. Here's your door handle and your door lock. We got power locks and power mirrors, or sorry, power windows. We got the Bose Performance Series sound system here. Now let's just take a look at the dash here. You can see it's very well taken care of. It looks great, nice and shiny. Door jambs, they look great. Very nice. And we'll open the glove compartment here so you can see it's got the owner's manuals in with this car. And there's your second pair of floor mats. So those ones say Corvette with the flags there. Let's take a look at the seat here. So we got the manual recline, and we got power seats, and it does have power bolster and power lumbar as well. So let's scan the condition of the seat. Again, this seat is about 20 years old, so it's in very, very good condition. You can see here that bright red leather. You can see it's stitched Corvette right there. It looks great. Coming back here, let's take a look at that waterfall. I love how it has the Corvette flags right in the center there. Kind of incorporates with the car. Go ahead and close the door here and check out the paint on here. So it's nice and shiny. There's your red seats. Really complement the silver. And then we have a PPF on the mirrors here, as you can see. That's what that line is. We got the vent here on the C5s. Man, let's take a look at the engine bay. So we got a nice hood liner. It looks like it's in good condition. And here's your engine bay itself. It's a 5.7 liter V8, and it produces 350 horsepower. This one is mated to the 4-speed automatic transmission. This car does have mag ride as well, and the previous owner upgraded the air intake system here. You can see it's nice and fancy. It also comes with the factory air system if you wanted to replace that. Let's go ahead and close that. Make our way to the front here, and again, PPF, so you can see the line here. So from the front down is all PPF. It's got the flip-up headlights. I'll show you those when I turn it on. And the PPF is all down here. There's your Corvette logo there. Paint looks wonderful in here. I don't see any stone chips that are visible, so that's good. And you can see the front wheel here looks great. And I also want to add that we haven't washed this car. So we picked this car up, and this is how the owner kept it. So he's very fussy, as you could tell how we took care of the car. Let's take a look at that door panel now. So a mixture of red and black, and we do have the vent here on the door. We got memory seats for the driver, We got power mirrors here, power locks, and power windows. There's your Bose sound system there. Let's take a look at the dash on this side. So you got heads-up display there. There's your slot. So it does have heads up. Nice clean dash. Take a look at those door jambs. Very nice. Take a look at those pedals down there. So the pedals look great. Your floor mats look great. And again, we have the manual recline with the power seats. So it's got power bolster and power lumbar. So that's a nice option. Let's scan that condition of the seat here. Lovely car. All right, let's hop in the car now. Coming down the dash here, we got the heads-up display controls here. You got fog lights here, and you got trunk release. We do have, where is it here? Sorry. We got manual tilt, and then we got power telescopic wheel. Coming up here, we have your headlight controls with your cruise control settings here. And on the other side here, you got your windshield wipers. Let's go ahead and start the car. So it's a key. We got 2 keys for the car. Let's just start the car up here. Let's just zoom out so you can see that steering wheel. Steering wheel's in great condition, nice leather. It's a circular wheel with the Corvette flags in the center there. Let's take a look at the dash. So it does have the analog gauges still, which I think is really cool. Odometer on this car is 50,535 kilometers. So very low kilometer car for being 20 years old. And you can see the condition is just wonderful. We got visors up here. We got the light sensitive rear view mirror, and coming to the dash here, we got the nice vent here with your hazards. Just over on this side, we got all your trip gauges and stuff like that. That's for your where your odometer goes there, so you can change the functions there. Coming over here, we got a CD player. Again, we have a 12-disc CD changer in the trunk as well. That you can put one here as well. It's got the Delco electronic system here. We have climate control here, so you can see it's 14 degrees. We have air conditioning. We got driver and passenger over here. Front and rear defrost. Let's just open this up here. We got a cigarette lighter and an ashtray here. Here's your automatic transmission stick here. It is a 4-speed automatic. And then under here we got a cup holder, a single cup holder. Over here we have your traction control, and then we have mag ride here. So you got tour, sport, or performance options here. We've got a nice manual e-brake here. We have a console here. Let's open this up here, and I'll put my hand in here so you can see how deep it is. So it's pretty deep and long. We got a 12-volt socket here. Here's your fuel door, so it's kind of hidden in there. That's kind of cool. And we'll close that there. Open up the door here, turn on the headlights, and you can see those headlights just popped right up there. And if you look at the post there, you might be able to see the heads-up display. There it is right there. Here's your heads up. And we'll give it a couple revs for you guys. So again, it's got the Magnaflow exhaust on it. It's got a nice throaty sound to it. Nothing too drony, so you can actually still drive the car and not get a headache, so that's good. And coming to the front here, you can see the headlights are popped up now. They function well. Headlights are nice and bright. When you turn the headlights on, it kind of changes the atmosphere of the car, I think. Kind of from a sleek design to just a nostalgic look to it. Come down the side here, you can see the paint is wonderful. And we'll check out the, here's your tonneau cover for your convertible top. There's a button under here. I'm just going to lift this up here so you can see it has a black top. It is a manual top, so I'm not going to put it up right now, but it's a black top and it's in great condition. Go ahead and close the lid here. Let's just make our way to the rear. So there's your circular tail lights.